The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Yes, my dear children, how are you all? Doing good? Right. Hope you all are revising your daily lessons. Daily practice maths at home. Now let's move on to the new chapter, joining angles. There are two set squares in your geometry box. Both set squares have 3 angles each. The largest angle of this set square is 90 degree. The smallest angle is 30 degree. The third angle is 60 degree. This is the set square with angles 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The largest angle of this set square is also 90 degree. The other two angles are equal, 45 degree each. This set square has 2 equal sides. This is the set square with the angles 45 degree and 90 degree. Okay children, our topic is joining angles. We can draw angles using set squares. Here is the set square with 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. Now we can draw joining angles with measure 90 degree and 30 degree. Here first we can draw angle 90 degree. Now we can draw 30 degree angle at this point. Okay. So angle 30 degree. We can give names to the angle. Here angle DAC 30 degree, angle CAB 90 degree. So angle DAC is equal to 30 degree, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree, angle DAB, angle DAB is equal to 30 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 120 degree. Okay. Topic is two sides. Now we can draw an angle using 90 degree corner of this set square. Okay. So here degree angle. Okay. Now we can give name D A B. Now we can extend line AB to the left E. Here E. Here angle EAD also 90 degree. Now we can draw an angle BAC 60 degree. So angle CAB 60 degree. Okay, so here angle DAB is equal to 90 degree. Angle DAE is equal to 90 degree. Angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. Here angle DAC is equal to, here angle DAB 90 degree and CAB 60 degree. Angle DAB 90 degree minus angle CAB is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree. So here angle EAC equal to, here angle CAD 30 degree. So 30 degree plus angle DAE 90 degree is equal to 30 plus 90, 120 degree. Here sum of these angles DAE is equal to 90 degree. Angle DAB is equal to 90 degree. So total 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here this is the symbol of 90 degree, means right angle. Okay, here line DA is the perpendicular to the line EB. Okay, here question is, in each picture below two angles are given, calculate the third angle as a sum or difference. So here angle DAC 40 degree, angle CAB 60 degree. Here we have to find out angle DAB. Angle DAC plus angle CAB. So DAC 40 degree plus angle CAB 60 degree. So 40 plus 60, 100 degree. So angle DAB 100 degree. Okay. Next question. Angle DAC not given. CAB 30 degree, angle DAB 80 degree. So here we have to find out angle DAC. DAC. So here angle DAB minus angle CAB. Angle CAB. So angle DAB 80 degree. So 80 degree minus angle CAB 30 degree. So 80 minus 30, yes, 50 degree. So angle DAC is equal to 50 degree. Next question, angle DAB 120 degree. Angle CAB 45 degree. Here we have to find out angle DAC. So angle DAC is equal to angle DAB minus angle CAB Okay, so here angle DAB 120 degree minus angle CAB 45 degree is equal to 75 degree. 120 minus 45 is equal to 75 degree. So angle DAC is equal to 75 degree. Here this is perpendicular line EB. So this angle is 90 degree. This is the symbol of right angle, means 90 degree angle. Here perpendicular line inde two sides 90 degree ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ. So here also 90 degree. Angle DBC is equal to 60 degree. So here angle EBD is equal to total 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. So angle EBD 30 degree. Okay. So this side here also 90 degree. So here total 180 degree, means ABE and EBC 180 degree. Okay. Here question is, in the pictures below two angles are marked and one of them is given, find the other. Here angle CBD is equal to 100 degree. Okay. So angle, here we have to find out angle ABD. We know total 180 degree. So here 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. So angle ABD 80 degree. Okay. Next one, angle CBD is equal to 40 degree. Here we have to find out angle ABD. So total 180 degree. So 180 minus 40 degree. 180 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 140 degree. So angle ABD is equal to 140 degree. Okay, next topic is meeting line. Here angle CBD is equal to 120 degree. So what is angle ABD? Angle ABD is equal to, yes, total 180 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to, yes, 60 degree. Okay, here two such angles made by two lines meeting is called a linear pair. Okay, when two lines meet, the sum of the angles on either side is 180 degree. The sum of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Here question is, how much is angle ACE in the picture below? Here angle ECD is equal to 50 degree. Okay, next angle DCB is equal to 25 degree. Here we have to find out angle ACE. Here total 180 degree. Here 50 degree plus 25 degree is equal to 75 degree. So here total 180 degree. So 180 minus 75 degree is equal to, yes, 105 degree. So angle ACE 105 degree. Next question is, is the picture below angle ACE equal angle BCD? Find the measure of each. So here angle ACE equal angle BCD. So here angle ECD is equal to 30 degree. So here total 180 degree. 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. Okay, so these both angles are equal. So 150 divided by 2 is equal to, yes, 75. So this angle is 75 degree. This angle also 75 degree. Okay, so angle ACE is equal to 75 degree. Angle BCD is equal to 75 degree. Let's wind up today's session. Thank you.